Okay, this is our second lecture on transformations. Today we'll be looking at reflections. Yesterday we looked at translations. Today it's reflections. If you'd like to be part of my daily lectures, I upload Mondays to Fridays. Feel free to press subscribe below, and then I can help you daily with your maths as well. Right, so we're looking at reflections today. A reflection flips a figure over a line called a line of reflection. Reflections are translations that change a figure's position, but not the size or the shape. So it'll change your position, but not the size or the shape. Now let's go look at it. So we're going to reflect on the next graph on the next screen a triangle labeled ABC over the y-axis. And then we're going to reflect it again, the same triangle over the x-axis. So let's go do the y-axis one first. So we can see here we have triangle ABC sitting in the second quarter, and we're now going to flip it over the y-axis. This would be the y-axis, so it's going to end up here somewhere, which means we just have to take each point and equidistant on the other side of the line, because that's the axis, the angle, the line of reflection. Each point is equidistant. We'll find it exactly reflected there. So let's look at point A. Point A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So point A is going to be over there. Let me just delete that. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's point A there. Okay, we're going to label that as A. Okay, we'll join them up just now. Point B is 1, 2. So let's go. We're going to put point B there. That's B. Okay. You can already start seeing that it is flipped over on the other side. It hasn't changed shape though. Point C is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go do point C, 5 from that reflection line. So it's on the same line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be C there. Just change color. And that's our C. Now we're going to label these each as the image, because it's the image of the first original triangle. This is image ABC. Let's just join them up here. There we have it. Okay, right. So we've now reflected across the y-axis. That was our line of reflection. And we just simply made sure they were equidistant. Okay, there's your B's, there's your A's, and there's your C's. As simple as that. So that's reflected across the y-axis. Okay, now we're going to reflect this triangle again over the x-axis. Let's just label it quickly because none of that was done before. Right, so we have, let's do A would be 1, 2, 4, 5. 5 across and 2, 4, 5 down. Okay, so let's do that. We're first going to go down and then across. Right, so it's 2, 4. Let's first find it here. 4, 5. And check here. 2, 4, 5. So that would be A there. Okay, you always double check yourself. Let's go plot our A. 2, 4, 5. That's A over there. Okay, so that's A, double image. Okay. Right, now B, we can see, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and 2 across. So we're going to go 5 down and 2 across now. Agreed on that? Okay. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's 2 across. So that's our point for B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 across. B image. Okay. Right, you're getting the picture here now. C is 2 up and 2, 4, 5 across. So we're going to go 2 down and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's going to be C over there. C double image. Okay, let's join them up. Right, there you have it. Okay. And if you look at it nicely, you'll see, look, equidistant on either side of the x-axis. Okay. And then you'll see on the other side also, when it reflected across to the y-axis, also equidistant. Right, so you just got to make sure everything is always exactly the same across the reflection line. And you can see here your A's as well. Okay. One thing that you can notice is that the reflection sometimes flips. You can see A is there now. And in this particular case here, B is here and it's over there. Okay. So it looks like it's the image is going over itself, and that's because you're actually reflecting it this time. It's not a translation where it simply moves from one place to another. It's a reflection. And just think of your reflection in the mirror. Right. And then tomorrow we'll look at rotations.